Hey guys, my name is Thomas. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be covering some news that we got regarding NSAV. This stock is traded on the OTC market, so you can't trade this on Robinhood or Webull. You can trade this on E-Trade, where I have a link in the description actually to sign up if you guys are interested. And if this is your first time hearing about this stock, make sure to check out the due diligence packet that me and my friend AJ at The Ambassador on Twitter have actually made in collaboration with a few other people. It's all you need to know about NSAV, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today, NSAV released a press release regarding their percentage in the equity acquisition of Virtua Broker. I really like how they strategically mentioned Tesla, Coinbase, and Mastercard in order to actually gain some attention just by utilizing some big names in the crypto industry right now. And so they start off the PR mentioning that they acquired a strategic stake in Virtua Broker, which is a platform based on AI and offers a full range of trading services such as portfolio management, price search function, and much more. I've actually made a video on the Virtua Broker beta test already, so feel free to check that out if you haven't already. I'll leave it in a card on the top right corner as well as in the description. Now, going back to the press release, they actually mentioned how Virtua Broker's platform supports nearly all the major cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, who just went public through a direct listing, which actually attracted a lot of new investors into the crypto industry who weren't invested into it before, just because now they can actually invest in Coinbase. Now, NSAV also mentioned Tesla and Mastercard joining the crypto revolution and states that this is a major step in fulfilling their ambition of being a leading player in the over $200 billion annual crypto market. Now, here's where things get really interesting for this PR. NSAV has finally revealed how much equity they actually hold in Virtua Broker. So it says that they acquired 10% sharehold in Virtua Broker with the exclusive option to acquire an additional 20% stake. In addition to that, they've also been granted preemptive rights, giving it the potential to increase their shareholding in Virtua Broker even further. So we could actually see them have ownership of over 30% of Virtua Broker in the future. Now, speaking of the option to acquire 20% more equity in Virtua Broker, this tweet is talking about how NSAV will soon be exercising that option. Now, this is absolutely great news for any NSAV shareholder, as owning 30% in Virtua Broker is very, very exciting, especially with just how much the crypto industry has been exploding lately. Now, going back to the press release, we actually see that it says SBC Financial Group negotiated and structured the transaction. Now, this is absolutely huge news for any NSAV shareholder. Obviously, we know that SBC has actually been backing them, but we didn't know how much involvement they really had. So this basically gives us confirmation that they're really structuring and negotiating a lot more deals for NSAV. And, you know, he's stated it multiple times on the NSAV Tech page, but James Tilton absolutely is happy with the support of SBC, and he even stated at one point that he was extremely happy to be working with a company of the Excalibur of SBC. Now, one final thing about this PR that I'll say real quick is the quote from Danny Garcia, the founder and CTO of Virtua Broker. He says that traders know that it takes multiple exchanges to truly trade crypto, and what sets their platform apart is the ability to organize all exchanges in one platform. Now, obviously, I've said this multiple times in the past, but this is an absolute game changer. You know, if you've traded crypto in the past, you'll know that you have to have different accounts on multiple exchanges, and just being able to consolidate all of your accounts on one platform is just extremely nice. Now, one thing that I did want to point out about this PR is it's actually a bit different from all the PRs that we've seen in the past. So from what I can tell, this is the very first time that NSAV has actually published a PR on MarketWatch. And it was actually also posted on Wall Street Journal. So I think SBC is really starting to step up the PR game for NSAV, and I think there's some really interesting stuff coming in the near future. I have no idea what exactly is in store for us, but just really looking forward to seeing the developments that NSAV makes. And look, I think this is definitely going to be an interesting stock. Obviously, I've talked about this many times in the channel, so I'm a bit biased, but I really think that this is a stock that can genuinely change your life if you guys are able to hold through the ups and downs. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is definitely not financial advice, but I think that NSAV is something you guys should really look into if you guys are looking to make a investment for the future that could potentially turn out really well for you. Now, this is definitely something that I haven't seen in the OTC markets before. This tweet is talking about how James Tilton is saying that, I say it again, NSAV has the greatest team of professionals in the entire OTC market. That's an undeniable fact, and today's announcement proves it. I generally think that the team behind NSAV is absolutely massive, and they're gonna take this stock to places we couldn't even think about. And I'm just really excited for its future. Now, I'm also looking forward to the rideshare PR. Hopefully we see it sometime next week. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.